The slide.
Good evening, Gunanda. Welcome to the Mental Health Webinar Series 2020 and 2021. Today we are in 483 session. The topic we are going to see is Zentangle Art Therapy by the resource person Mrs. Sundaravi. She is the founder, Manasa Subakra Counseling. She is a counseling psychologist from Hyderabad. She is a certified positive psychology from Pennsylvania University, and she is certified yoga trainer. She is the member of Telangana Psychology Association. She is one of the core team member of this webinar series as well, I think. And I would like to welcome today's resource person and all the participants on behalf of American College Madurai, MS Chellamuthi Institute Madurai, Madras School of Social Work Chennai, Red Pond Educational Psychological Research Center, Willow Pond Counseling Center, and Tamil Nadu Career Counseling Association, Tamil Nadu Counseling Psychotherapy Association, and STEPS Foundation. With this kind note, I would like to welcome today's research person, Mrs. Sundaravi, and all the participants. Ma'am, over to you. You can take over the session.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Hi, friends. Good evening, everyone. I am Sunanda. Daily you are seeing me as a core team person. I am from Hyderabad. I am doing counseling psychologist. First, I thank Suresh sir. He created such a wonderful platform to interact and promote mental health webinar series. Thank you, sir. Very soon we are going to complete a 500 webinar, I think next month. I'm happy to share this moment. Thank you. Today's topic is Zentangle. It's an art therapy. As we are all know, art therapy is one of the component of counseling. Art therapy is an integrative mental health human services profession that enriches the life of individual, family, community through active art making, creative process, applied psychological theory. Some conditions where art therapy may be used to treat include aging related issues, anxiety, cancer, depression, eating disorder, emotional difficulties, family or relationship problems. Some medical conditions also we can use. Psychological symptoms associated with other medical issues, PTSD, that is post-traumatic stress disorder, then psychological issues, stress, then substance use disorder. The above category we can use all this art therapy. Then we can go to benefits of art therapy. According to 2016 study published in Journal of the American Art Therapy Association, less than an hour of creative activity can reduce your stress and have a positive effect on mental health.
Slide is not moving. Or we are in the
I'm
first
sorry
slide
to
itself.
interrupt the slides.
Sir?
Slide மாத்துனா மாத்திருங்க.
Okay, sir. The first slide I would have done, sir.
Sure, right. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. An art therapist may use variety of art methods, including drawing, painting, sculpture, collage with clients ranging from young children to old adults. Clients who have experienced emotional trauma, physical violence, domestic abuse, anxiety, depression, and other psychological issues can benefit from expressing themselves creatively. Some situations in which art therapy might be utilized include adult experiencing severe stress, children experiencing behavioral or social problems at school or at home, children or adults who have experienced a traumatic event, children with learning disabilities, individuals living with brain injury than people experiencing mental health problems. What do you think, Zentangle? Participant, you can answer.
It is a Zen type of things, madam, like therapy something.
Yes, sir.
Mandala art, as mandala art, this is also a type of drawing like that, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Any other?
Zen is living in the present.
True. True, sir.
Maybe this drawing brings what is the tangle in the mind to the paper.
Yes, sir. Exactly. Now you can see the slides. Zen means relaxation. Tangle means little drawings. What is Zentangle? Zentangle is an art of learning, relaxing therapy, fun way to create beautiful images. It a structured pattern. Zentangle is focused on creating pattern, designs, and mindfulness. It's a specific way to draw images, most often in black pen and white paper. It's a simple and elegant system called Zentangle method, where repetitive, simple pen and strokes offered no absolute meaning to the mind, had potency to earnest mental activity or thoughts in. Rick Roberts and Mary Thomas are the originators trademarked Zentangle, the couple to develop a system to help others. It experiences similar to bliss. It is a self-therapy practice to enhance relaxation and focus. First half of the part I am going to, then Swati Srikant will join with us. She will explain practical things. Then Zentangle versus doodling. What is the difference between Zentangle and doodling? Usually we know Zen doodling, but both are different. Zen doodling is a method, fixed format that follow prescribed method. It reduces stress, fear, anxiety. You can unlock your potential, unleash your creativity, and experience relaxing sensation of crafting unique, treasured art world with Zentangle. But in doodles, it is mindless scribbling. Usually kids, they will draw while boring lectures. They will draw something on margins. Even phone call also, we are attending, we do scribblings on newspaper or some newspaper bits. These are the difference between Zentangle and doodling. Then patterns. What are the patterns today we are going to see in Zentangle? It is line, patterns, dot, triangles, circles. These are the different patterns we are using. The same movements again and again, all in all, it's a basic of 5 strokes, dot, circle, curve, lines, A-shaped line. Start by filling the individual areas with pattern of your choice. The smaller the areas, the quicker you will see the first results. Finally, you can decorate your tiles with shaded colors. I'm going to explain in 5 steps. Step 1, outlining with a simple shape for your Zentangle. Draw a square, a circle, in order to outline your Zentangle. Then step 2, divide the shape into several sections. Using pencil or pen, divide the shape into various sections using pencil. Then step 3, fill each section with patterns of your choice. Choose a section and fill it with a repetitive pattern. Never spend time planning on the device, choice of pattern, just to draw whatever you are going in mind, just its outlet. It emotional. Fill in all the sections with different repetitive patterns. You may also color a shade if you choose to. Fifth step, Zentangle with all sections filled. Go ahead and be proud of your creation. Whatever creative ideas we are getting, just go through it. Then benefits of Zentangle. It relieves our stress and promotes mental relaxation. Zentangle is designed to lift the pressures of daily struggles. By focusing on creating Zentangle, it becomes simple and light-hearted way to unwind oneself from the daily hassles. Develop create abilities. When you engage in Zentangle, the creative part of your mind is stimulated and grows to explore unknown territories. Improves sleep. It improves our sleep pattern by relieving stress and relaxing the mind. Zentangle promotes deep and replenishing sleep. Here I can note a point. In lockdown time, I do online counseling. That time, a lady made phone call to me. She's very feared of corona by seeing in social media. By attending 2 or 3 sessions, she came out of fear of corona and sleepless nights. She overcome that fear by doing this art therapy, attending art therapy. Improved self-esteem. By engaging in Zentangle art, one creates something that has a beauty in itself. From the start to the end, watching your Zentangle transform into a beautiful outcome. Increased focus and better concentration. This is probably one of the most important aspects of the art. Engaging in its creation helps sharpen one's focus and concentration skills. And with repeated usage, it became easier to eat. Nothing is ever perfect. Zentangle art is a simple art with pen and paper using without eraser. That is the beauty of this Zentangle. Whatever we are thinking in our mind, we have to go ahead as it is. There are normally misplaced lines in every Zentangle, which makes the art extremely aesthetic. Consequently, it becomes a metaphor in everyday life to accept ourselves with all our flaws, because nothing is ever perfectly perfect. Live in the present. The art teaches us to live and enjoy every moment in the present and not to rush through life. Creative aimlessness. In everyday life, nothing is perfect, but you adjust to misperfections. It matters. It reinforces aimlessness. Many Zentangle enthusiasts highlighting doodle process as a form of mindfulness. Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh observes that we need to cultivate aimlessness in life rather than continually striving to be number one. Usually in our day-to-day life, we will rush up, we will do our works, we don't have me time. In this lockdown, we learned how to cultivate our self-love, how to engage our me time. It makes a lot of difference. Zentangle teaches us not to rush and take care of ourselves in the present moment. After all, the present moment is all there is. For example, I can say here walking meditation. It is a new term. We are not trying to arrive anywhere in particular. In fact, if we stay focused on the future, we lose the joy of steps in here and now. The same is true of the process of tangling. If we get caught up in the judgment and deliberation, we are not here and now. But we simply enjoy the creative process. We can enjoy every single moment of it. And that is ultimately what any creative expression offers us. Owing to its meditative attributes, the method slowly being adopted as means for therapy, improving one's self-esteem and creativity while remaining a fun way to emerge calm and focused. If practicing the traditional meditation could be therapeutic, so can the practice of making Zentangles. Therapy is different for different people with different needs. To tackle stress, dejection, depression, or even pangs of loneliness, the mind requires to snap out of its revive, construct out of negative thought process. Live in the present, keep creating it. It will change your life. Not only does creating add beauty to your life, but also it improves our attitude and personal outlook. We have to practice art therapy daily, half an hour, then only we will be benefited. Another client came to my clinic. She is very depressed and she went to even psychiatrist also. She had depressed tablets. After attending art therapy classes, but it will take months. Now she is out of depression. She stopped taking pills. Now she joined a renowned MNC company. That is the beauty of art therapy. We have to engage ourselves. Our mind will be productive. We can outcome our best of the best. Keep calm and Zentangle on. Take your time. I'm going to explain 3 T's. That is, take your time. No one is born a master and no one requires a perfect result. Test yourself. Discover different pattern. Just start trying. Try a sketchbook. In Amazon, we can buy books, drawing books and all. Or else you can follow YouTube, then Pinterest. We have a lot of articles on this Zentangle. From this, we can make a art therapy as a beneficial to us. Thank you, friends. I'm going to invite Swati Srikanth. She will do practical part of this art therapy. I hope you enjoyed my sessions. Salim sir. Yes, Swati Srikanth, you can start now.
Thank you so much, Sunanda ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Swati. I am a South Indian staying in Punjab. My hobby is exploring a different art form of India. Today, I am going to explain the basics of Zentangle. Zentangle art is a sort of meditation or tangle art. So let us start meditation with art. Are you all ready with pen and paper? We'll start our work. Let me fix my camera.
Yeah, go ahead.
As ma'am told us, today we are going to do this beautiful butterfly. Okay. First, we have to make the outline. The first step is outline. And the second step is we are going to use these different types of patterns. Let me show some of artwork made by me in our workshops. You can take any theme. I have made a leaf with a bird and flowers. I think, is it visible?
Yes, visible.
So you can play with numbers also. You can write any codes and you can do the Zentangle. You can color it also. This is the basic one, and we are going to use the patterns. Strings, these are the borders. Strings is the border of the Zentangle. Like mandala also you can do in circle. Different faces.
Swati, will you make it full screen?
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. The pixels are broken. Can you show the picture in any slide or so that it will be visible?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Now is it visible?
No, it's a small box only.
Swati, you can go ahead as it is. Anyway, you are going to draw, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Zen wheel. You can draw with leaves. With any theme. This is the pattern we are going to use today. I'll give it this side. First, draw one small circle. And then is it visible?
Visible in a small box.
Okay.
One of the 25 boxes.
Sir,
Oh.
that we have to give the focus for the presenter, sir, in our system. Then we will
Yeah,
get
you
it
have
properly. I
spot
have got
my
it.
video, sir. Then it can be a spotlight to everyone.
We have to pin ourselves.
Yeah.
You can pin or you can spot to everyone.
No, in the individual system, if we spotlight the presenter, then we are able to get it clearly. On my screen, I am able to get the spotlight.
Yeah, see what happened, you right click in the small box with right click your mouse. Okay, and then
There
you'll
is one
find,
square box, no? There, if you click it, it will show you whether to focus the speaker. There, if you just click it, then it is visible. That whole screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. It's visible.
All good? Can I proceed?
You go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. So first draw a small circle and then a rectangle and the bigger rectangle. Then I am going to make wings of the butterfly. And now I'm going to do the partition part. As ma'am told us, you have to draw the outline of the figure and you have to divide the segments. I'm going to use some patterns. These are the patterns. First, I'm going to draw like this, and one small circle I'll be making. Remaining part I'll be shading. This is the first pattern we are going to use. Let me zoom. Here we are going to do this pattern. And then I'm going to fill this. You can use sketch or you can even do this with pen also. On the second segment, I'm drawing 2 lines. In Zentangle, we are going to use only lines, circle, triangle, and dot. But different variation, we can create hundreds and thousands of patterns. I'm using curvy lines.
Can you show me the case of the
With focus, if you do, without any disturbance, your meditation starts. After completing this work, you'll be feeling more peace. You may start this artwork with hundreds of thoughts. When you complete this artwork, you'll be feeling relaxed.
Miss Swati, we cannot see what you're doing. I cannot see what you're doing.
Is it visible now?
Ma'am, it's visible,
No, I
but
can see
the
only.
picture is
No, I can see
breaking.
only the background, like your table only. Half of the image I can see, half of the rest of the images I
Now?
cannot see.
Now, ma'am?
Yeah, now it's better than before.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm seeing this excess part I'm going to share. Is it visible?
Yeah, now it's visible almost.
And now I'm going to use circle. And some straight lines. The picture quality is okay.
Ma'am, little bit disturbed only.
Zoom?
Ma'am, can you say what pens you are using? What company pens or the tip, how it must be? Like that you can say, ma'am.
For beginners, they can use normal refill pen also. You can use normal pen like this. I'm using Artline pen because I work on Mandala also. So this is 0.4 mm fine line Artline pens. So different colors are there in this. I'm going to use only black pen, and I'm using permanent marker for border to highlight the. You can use sketches also.
Swati ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, the pixels are getting broken. If you can give the patterns in the whiteboard, it would be helpful. If you give the outline and show the patterns in the whiteboard, it would be easy for us to grasp, ma'am. Because yeah, this would be helpful for us because the pixels are getting broken, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Suridha ma'am will be sharing the outline and patterns. Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Later, after the meeting, she'll be sharing.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, done.
Now it's visible. Actually, I have zoomed it now.
No, ma'am.
Now?
Little closer, then we can see.
When you
No.
get closer, the pixels are getting broken, ma'am. Actually, it is
Okay.
ulti. Yeah, the butterfly is seeing yours, facing you. It is ulti. We could see the other side.
Now?
It is facing us, but the pixels are broken, ma'am.
Like optical illusions, they are moving.
Okay. Sunanda ma'am will be sharing the pattern and outline. Okay. So I think I can tell the steps. You can understand the steps. Later, you can try it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. First part have completely make it black. Next, circle. In second part, I'm shading the black one. Here I'm just drawing lines. Wavy lines with teardrops pattern. You can vary the patterns by simply adding lines or shading. First, I have made a line and then semicircles. And here I have made a V pattern. From here, I'm going to make the rays. Dividing this into boxes. Planting lines here. This side opposite of plant. This side I'm making mountain pattern.
Swati, your screen is not visible. Yeah, now it's visible.
Double line. Line pattern. Is the picture clear?
Yeah, now it's visible. It's clear.
Yes.
Clear, miss, clear.
Thank you. Line down the line. Zigzag pattern or mountain pattern. Double line.
Thank you, Swati.
Yeah.
Wonderful practical session.
But pencil, you can share this. Again, with a bud or cotton. Even with the finger, you can just grab this. You can buds, cotton, or even your finger. patterns, you can use simple lines.
The simple line.
Sweeping lines. Yeah, sweeping lines. Standing line.
Standing
If
line.
you
Sitting line.
each box you can, yeah, and you can make different patterns inside this, like this.
Okay, miss. Box shape. Then
Like a now. Dot.
I can share this in group patterns and butterfly image.
So it's simple curve lines. You just give the dot. Curvy pattern. Alternate. Dot. Like this curve. Opposite direction. Same if you draw lines. To make a shin pattern.
what shape, miss? What shape, miss? Shape, what shape, miss?
This is with triangle. This is with square.
Okay, miss.
Draw the
Okay, miss.
draw triangle. Touch the corner.
And square. Shape, miss.
With simple lines and curves, you can make different types of pattern like this. You're master of your art in Zentangle. You can make your own patterns. You just draw the outline and you can make different types of art. Thank you, Sunanda ma'am. Any queries?
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
we understood that that the strokes and everything that we will you will share in the group, ma'am. But I want to know
Okay.
about the paper, what we can use. We can draw in all the papers I know, but
Yeah,
for
actually, if you want to, complete your question.
no, you started the same. If the art seems to be beautiful, some papers will be right. No, so suggest some papers like that, ma'am. Chart like that.
Okay. For drawing, if you're a beginner, you can use simple drawing notebook like this. In Classmate and different companies, they like this. You can, if you're a beginner, if you want to frame it, you can use 100 GSM sheets. This is 300 GSM. Looks like board. So you can draw in this. So I was trying to draw a dolphin. Then I came to know I have left it 20 to 30 minutes. So I thought it will be long. It will take nearly 1 to 2 hours. So then I shifted to butterfly. So you can pay, if you want to frame, then you can do this in 300 GSM and above paper. That is 200 to 300 GSM paper that are available in Amazon. You can do it in canvas also. You can do it in cups, glasses, even in your shoes and bags also you can do. You can do this in different articles. Not only pen and paper. For beginners, they can draw in pen and paper. Then you can explore yourself. You can do in different articles.
We can also use colors in this, ma'am.
Yeah, you can use colors. I have shown you. I have used some sketches, sketch colors. Here I have used glitter pens.
Okay.
Okay.
So these models, it is available as a book or how is it?
Yeah, this I made with some crayons, watercolors, and acrylic colors also. In
Okay.
Amazon, notebooks are available. First, you can check your local market. In stationery shop, there will be notebooks. You can, like this spiral notebook also there, blank sheets. For practicing, actually, I use this.
No. What I'm asking is to look at something and to draw. Do we get it is available in the market as book or
Yeah, that is
how?
available in market also. You can search in Google or Pinterest. Also, you'll be getting so much of reference pictures.
Okay.
Yeah, outlines like, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If we have an
Welcome, ma'am.
overall outline, then we can draw within that.
Yeah, first you have to make the outline. You can think what you're going. You can write your name. Write your name and start dividing segment. Just see, I have made 200. In a yeah. So number, and then I have started different
Fine.
patterns in that number.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there any rules like that? We may use the lines, curves, dots, triangles like that. I understood. Beyond, is there any rules for that?
No rules, ma'am.
No, actually, as ma'am told earlier, doodling is an art that you do in your notebook, in your free period or in your boring lectures or during calls or meetings. Okay. So Zentangle is a type of doodling with some specific patterns and segments. If you start in this segment, you have to do the same pattern, complete this segment. In next segment, you can
Again
change
and
your pattern.
again and again repeated patterns.
Yeah, same pattern you have to complete the segment. The whole segment you can check. Different segment I have started and I have used the same pattern. In next segment I have changed the pattern. You are master of your Zentangle. You can prepare your own patterns and you can do. You can see small variations like in triangles. It can be a normal triangle. I have shaded inside. I have added dots. You can add lines.
Ma'am, where this mandala art and then this Zentangle is differing, ma'am? Because that is also filling the same patterns. Nearly the same patterns are coming in mandala art. The same patterns are filling. Here also we filling the same patterns. What is the
And yeah, mandala you do in circles, right? Circle. Maximum you make a mandala grid and you'll do the mandala art. And maximum you use petals and arch patterns in mandala. Mandala is a spiritual art maximum used in India. And the Buddhists also, they use that art for meditation. Buddhist monk, they do mandala art while they do meditation. For meditation purpose, they do mandala art. So Zentangle more commonly used in USA. And it is also a type of a doodling art. There is no fiction. You can do any landscape or your name, your anything you can keep and you can draw. No rules for Zentangle.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. There's so many different patterns are there. There is Zentangle tiles also.
I hope beneficial to participants. All are enjoyed. Sir, any other suggestions, sir? Muttaya, sir?
Not my field, but I enjoyed it. I learned something new. I have some color papers like this. I don't know how to use it. I'm keeping them. Now I think I may try it.
You can try, sir. You can try. You can draw some patterns in that. Even landscape, you can draw a sea.
Let me check it out today.
Yeah. Flowers. You can make small flowers. You can make birds. It's really a stress buster, actually. So many of the students have gained during corona and so many viral fever. If they get fever or if they are disturbed, actually they gave me feedback. Their sleeping disorder has been resolved. They go to bed early, actually. Because it takes 2 to 3 hours or so. That's why it is also called a meditative art.
Salim, sir, are you there?
Ma'am, Salim sir is in driving. He asked me to say the word of thanks, ma'am. After the questions, I will proceed, ma'am.
Okay.
Now that they have a pattern, it becomes much easier to copy again and again. Because they are so small, even if there was a mistake or a flaw, it will not be noticed. And overall, it gives you a picture and different dimensions and makes it colorful. And we keep staying focused on doing that. So in all these respects, this is real worthwhile. I never attended any program like this, and it's new to me, a new learning experience for me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for valuable suggestions.
I'm in LKG, no suggestions. I'm learning.
பல நாங்க என்ன வருது சார்?
Field வேற.
Any other questions, participants? Okay, Vishal ma'am, you can conclude this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Salim sir and team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Sunanta ma'am, you well explained about Zentangle art therapy. And I think it is one of the method of catharsis also. I believe it helps more healthy and happy all. Accept our gratitude, ma'am. Thank you, Swati ma'am, for your live session. You made a simple blank butterfly as a beautiful art in front of our eyes itself, ma'am. Please accept our gratitude, and it's a wonderful job, ma'am. We all enjoyed it a lot. Kindly accept our gratitude on behalf of American College, Madurai, MS Chellamathu Institute, Madurai, Madras School of Social Work, Chennai, Red Pond Educational Research Center, Yellow Pond Counseling Center, TNCCA, TNCPA, STEPS Foundation, and of course, participants, all of you, thank you. We will have yet another wonderful session tomorrow evening. Until then, bye-bye from the team. Thank you.
Okay. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sunanda ma'am, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thanks to both of you. Welcome.